this winch is not like any winch I've seen at the Wrangler lot. Mr. Rubin, now tell me, what is special about this winch here?
That's a WARN 8274.
WARN 8274, okay.
Classic winch.
Uh-huh.
This is the 70th anniversary edition, so it's a little. They're only made 999 of them.
Wow.
And it's a 10,000 pound winch versus the old original's 8,000 pound winch. And it's got an Albright solenoid in it, which is a little bit better than the regular solenoids. So it's a really fast winch. It gets up and goes.
Now, did you purchase this winch specifically for your...
I bought the winch knowing I was going to put it on this Jeep.
Okay.
I had to take this factory. This is a factory Rubicon bumper, 3-piece winch bumper.
Right.
That I cut out to fit this winch.
Right.
And I had another bracket made, built.
Custom made so it'll fit on here.
So it fits on there. And then I set this out for powder coating so that, so that it looks good.
Right.
Cut marks.
So when he says it's the only one in the world, now I'm starting to believe that he's probably pretty accurate there on that one.
I had to install, because of the winch, I wanted battery power.
Right.
So I did a dual battery kit. The dual Odyssey batteries.
Okay.
So that I can run the winch and keep good power, then run the ARB refrigerator in the back.
Oh wow, ARB refrigerator. Can you show us that?
Sure.
This is getting interesting. What is all the stuff on top of this battery? I've never seen this before.
What these are, this is a dual battery. This is a battery here, this is a battery here, and this is a solenoid.
Oh, okay.
This is a relay pack. So what happens is when this energizes, when one of these batteries, I don't know which one it is, one of these batteries is low.
Okay.
This engages and ties the batteries together, so when the alternator charges both batteries. So when you're parked and the refrigerator's running or something like that, one of these batteries can run down to 0, and you can push this button and it will engage the battery so you can start the Jeep and give you power to start it.
Nice. Perfect for a day like today.
Perfect like a day like today.
All right.
Especially if you're...
All right, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you think of the Rubicon. That's right. It's beauty. It really is. Do you own one? If you do, let us know in the comments section. I know some of y'all guys out there are going to really be hyped up about that ARB cooler. I know I am, so let us know. Do you have one? And what about this winch? Isn't that something unique? That's really cool. And just a little backdrop story. This guy's a hardcore Jeeper. He's been loving Jeeps for so long, and he's got a YJ and just all kinds of really cool stuff. So, you know, it's a heritage thing. Like he was telling me earlier, you know, he's been around Jeeps since he was a kid. It starts in the family and just kind of keeps moving. So there you go, guys. Let's go find another Jeep here today at Jeep Island in Hilton Head, South Carolina. We hope you're enjoying these videos.